YouTube, this is it, the largest giveaway in our history. First place is going to win $600 plus this Littman Cardiology 4. We're going to have a second and third place winner, and they're going to win Littman scopes as well. Second place is going to win right here, this Master Classic 2. And third place is going to win this Littman Classic 3, number 3. Now, here's what you need to do. First, you need to like this post. In the description, there's going to be a link. Follow the steps there, and most importantly, you have to do this. Make sure you are subscribed to the Paramedic Coach. In the description, there will be steps. Follow the steps in the description. You'll see the link. It will say follow these steps. Link 1, link 2, link 3. Follow those steps, and you'll be entered. But make sure you're subscribed. That is how I choose the 3 winners. And I'm going to see you Tuesday, October 20th, prime time, 8 p.m. Eastern, and we're giving this all away. I'll see you there.